something with the deco. I'm going to try to put a piece of paper over it and rub pencil to see if I can get it to come through, and then retrace it on because I'm missing the maple leaf from the front side, and I really want the authentic old Boler logo. So let's see if it works. You can kind of see like there is a outline of where the sticker used to be. So we'll see. Alright, so what I've done is there is a bit of a relief underneath where the original sticker is. So it's kind of like a craft when you were a kid. So I'm just trying to get the outline of that sticker, and then I can make my own kind of carbon paper stencil for it. And we'll see if that works. I'm going to try to also like outline it as best as I can on the original sticker, and then just repaint the logo right on there. I got some red today and I have some black already. So we'll see if this works. Now I'm just going over, I can see where the edges of the stickers were. So you can see it like go up there. And I'm just going with a thin, one of those push lead pencils, and I'm going over all of this, and I'm going to try and bring it back, and then I can paint inside of here. So I'll show you the finished product when I'm done doing this. I think it looks pretty good. Maple leaves are the hardest. Now I'm on to the gravel guard. I just took it down because it's easier. I can still see the Boler outline here, so I'll do the same thing I did before. It's really just that maple leaf that has worn off of this side. So I'm going to try that transfer process that I did and try and transfer the leaf from the back of the trailer to the gravel guard. Okay, so I finished the outline of Boler. I think it looks pretty good. I'll cover up that little hole. But we're missing the leaf entirely. So what I've done is I scribbled on the back. I'm taking that piece of paper and I can see the outline of the leaf here. So if I draw over this outline that I can see, it should transfer like a carbon paper onto where I want it to go. So it worked, I think. I'm just going to trace it a little bit better, but I can see it. I don't think I was pressing hard enough though. What do you think? Ignore this part. I kind of wonked up on there, but I'll come fix it. Maple leaves are hard. Okay, so now I'm on to, I'm going to do the leaf first before I do the black letters. I'll probably mask the straight sides when I'm doing the letters, but I think I'm going to freehand the leaf. Wish me luck. Everyone, I think it looks pretty good. This little part's wonky, so I'll fix that for a sec. I didn't even follow my own pencil line for some reason, but I think it needs another coat, but I'm gonna go do the one on the actual Boler on the back of it, and then I'll come back and do another coat. Oh my Lanta, I love it. Wait until I get those letters. Now I'm off to the letters. I'm available for hire. All your logo repainting needs. I'm not gonna film myself painting this one, but I'll just show you the before because I am on a ladder. Me likey. But that needs another coat or two. I think the letters are okay though. Now I'm using a high heat enamel. I'm going to paint the stove, the covers, and the hood vent with that. So I have my first coat of the high heat enamel just inside of here. Looks like garbage, not gonna lie. And look at the masking tape is the same color as the fiberglass, so some spots I thought I forgot to put it on. Anyway, I hope the second coat works a little better. Okay, so now I'm gonna paint all these bits of the stove and then the hood vent as well. Okay, so I've done a coat on the top, so I left the little Coleman logo. Still have to do the bottom and probably a coat or two more. I got match, so it should be glossy, but it said 2 to 4 hours I could put on another coat, which means I probably won't do that today.